how to use Phantom Wallet extension. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open a new tab on your browser and search for Phantom Wallet extensions. Then click on the first link, which is from Chrome Web Store, and then you're gonna see something similar to this. So all you have to do is simply click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. Then you're gonna see here that you're gonna have to create a new wallet. So let's create a new wallet, and then you're gonna have to create a password. So let's create a new password, and then you're gonna have to click on I agree. Then you're gonna have to simply save your secret phrase. This will help you connect your wallet, so make sure that you don't lose this. And then you're gonna have to simply click on get started, and basically that's all. Now we have Phantom Wallet in our extensions tab, and we can start using, so we can start buying crypto or receiving crypto or transferring crypto. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.